The primary cause of FPS drops in Stalker 2 is a memory leak issue. This means the game isn't properly releasing memory it's using, leading to a gradual slowdown as the game progresses. Specifically, the game engine allocates memory for textures, models, and other assets, but fails to deallocate it when those assets are no longer needed. Over time, this unused memory accumulates, eventually filling up available RAM and even virtual memory. This forces the system to constantly page data in and out of the hard drive, causing significant performance degradation and resulting in noticeable FPS drops and stuttering. This forces the system to constantly page data in and out of the hard drive, causing significant performance degradation and resulting in noticeable FPS drops and stuttering. It's not necessarily about having enough RAM initially. Even systems with 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes can experience this issue. The problem is the inefficient use of memory by the game itself. Keep up to date with patch releases from the developer, as these types of errors are commonly resolved in patches. Check the game's community forums and developers' websites for further information. While a permanent fix requires a patch from the developers, there are some temporary workarounds that may help alleviate the memory leak issue. First, restarting the game periodically can free up the accumulated memory and temporarily restore performance. Try restarting every 1 to 2 hours of gameplay. Second, lowering graphics settings, especially texture quality and draw distance, can reduce the amount of memory the game attempts to allocate, potentially slowing down the leak. Experiment with different settings to find a balance between visual fidelity and performance. Third, close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources and reduce memory contention. Applications like web browsers, streaming software, or other games running in the background can exacerbate the problem. Keep your graphics drivers updated to the latest version, as newer drivers often include performance improvements and bug fixes relevant to recently released games. Lastly, monitor your system's RAM usage using tools like Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on macOS. This can help you confirm if a memory leak is occurring and inform your decision to restart the game. These workarounds can help manage the memory leak until an official fix is released.